Pick it right up off there. Okay, perfect.
Ew, it's disgusting. It looks like poop.
Yeah.
But it's actually Nutella.
It looks like poop, doesn't it? You think it's Nutella?
Yeah, kind of. But I also think it's dirt.
Say the inside of our dishwasher is really dirty too. We probably should do a video about how we're gonna clean that.
Yeah, you probably put some dish soap.
So then to fix it, we just gotta put it back in the hole and push it down. And then Bob doesn't have to do the dishes anymore.